Hi, this video is going to cover how to research criminal records and arrest records in the state of Massachusetts. So to get started, visit massachusettspublicrecords.com. On the front page, you will notice an alphabetized list of all the public databases in the state of Massachusetts. Some of these might be helpful depending on what type of research you're doing. We have created a special page though for more specialized searches and more sought after records. So as you hover over more records here, you'll notice anything from background checks to property records. And we're going to be looking at criminal records. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You'll find some information here regarding criminal and arrest records. But if you look at the resources available here, you'll notice you have multiple links that you can use, and there's a description as to what it does and how each of these resources works on the state level. So that's one thing to consider. Another thing to consider is if you go to inmate search, what you'll notice is you can also look at prison records here, and also at the county level you're able to locate things like inmates that are in jail. So there's a difference between prison and jail. So if you wanted to just look up arrest records or who's in jail, you would have to do that at the local level. Say maybe a county will have a database, or usually a sheriff's department will provide that information. So you have a couple of things to consider when looking at criminal records and arrest records. And it can all be done here at massachusettspublicrecords.com. One more thing to consider is using the name search on top, and this uses both public and private records, but it doesn't just look within the state of Massachusetts. It goes also outside the state. So considering that people move around quite a bit nowadays, someone might have had a criminal record, say in Georgia or maybe South Carolina, and now they're living in Massachusetts. If you're just looking at the local records, you're not necessarily going to see what happened in those other states. So what this database helps you do is it pulls records from multiple states, multiple databases, and it's a single search system. You just type a name in. It's virtually instantaneous, and it helps you look at records from other places, from other databases. And obviously, records do originate at the local level, at the state level. That's where they're going to be the most accurate and up to date. But just keep in mind that they are restricted to a particular location, a particular area. So you won't necessarily see what happened outside of that. People switch counties all the time, states all the time. So the tools we have available for you here will allow you to cover more ground, get a bigger picture view into somebody's criminal past. So once again, it's massachusettspublicrecords.com. Come on down and get started on your Massachusetts criminal record search. Thank you.